So third gear, almost no steering lock, standard car, let's go. So welcome back, and today I'm gonna talk about my first drift competition after a year or even longer. And also it was first time with my E46 doing, or at least trying to do, proper drifting. So at first I was like, what the hell am I doing here? Almost all cars were like V8 or turbo. I think average power in Pro-Am class was like 400. Some cars were spitting fire, body kits. Almost all cars had full roll cage, and I'm just here with my E46 trying to turn off traction control. Oh yeah. So yeah, at first I was like, it's gonna be really hard, so let's begin with trainings. So first run, just to warm up, I'm trying to do full layout with second gear because I wanted to change differential to a bit shorter one, but I had no time. So I was running standard 315 differential, and second gear was a bit short. So I did one run, it was okay with second gear, but you know, I want more speed. So let's try third gear. So in third gear, I was going 140 kilometers before I started going sideways. And with second gear, it was only 100 kilometers per hour. So, you know, it's big difference. So third gear, almost no steering lock, standard car, let's go. I'm going sideways. Okay, I started to realize that my steering lock, I don't have steering lock. Okay, I need more steering lock, that's not good. Second thing I realized, how hard I will crash. So hopefully it was really small crash. I crashed my corner light and that's it. And after a few more runs, I stayed in second gear for all layout, and it went really good. second day. I'm having some more training runs. I'm feeling really good. I tapped my rear to some tires, I think. I tapped another side to the wall. So yeah, I'm feeling really, really good. So we have qualification, 2 runs. Let's go. 1 run, just to get some points. Second run, all in. Okay, so qualification results and top 32. My goal was to reach top 16 and I'm happy. So what happened? I was in 5th place. Really, really amazing for me. I'm really happy with that result. And I went to top 16 by run. So simple like that. Kaip Sierra suvažiavo?
Gražiai paskaita, gražiai.
Okay, all in. Okay, so top 16, and after one more time, I went to top 8. How crazy is that? Top 8, sadly, but I lost. You know, someone wins, someone loses. I did more when I wanted, you know. I pushed everything or even more from this car. It's almost like street car, you know. So I was really happy with my result and I think I'm gonna continue with some more events. Tiesa, tikrai taip, Kuršėnuose už geros savaitės bus dar vienos varžybos. Manau, bus įdomu tiek žiūrovom, tiek dalyviam, nes toje vietoje dar niekad nebuvo varžybų. Tai bus vairavimo mokymo centras, kiek aš žinau, naujas asfaltas, vien posūkiai. Tai taip, įdomu tiek žiūrovom, tiek dalyviam. Paliksiu nuorodą video aprašyme, pačekinkit. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing some Pro Series and Pro AM. About Pro Series I'm gonna talk in next video. And today I'm just looking what to fix on my E46 for next time. So let's take a look. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. That small tap on the rear. You know, just bit of cleaning and it's like brand new. On here we have really small tap right here. So car is still looking really nice. Crash. I don't know if you can call this crash. Just broken corner light, few scratches, and that's all. Dar kartą noriu padėkoti savo rėmėjams Šrotas 24 ir aišku reikės pakalbėti, ar jie norės, kad dalyvaučiau ir kitose varžybose. Iš tikrųjų net nereklamuočiau, jeigu pats nebūčiau pasinaudojęs Šrotas 24 portalu, nes surinkinėjom vieną naują automobilį ir iš tikrųjų tik čia radom dalių, kurių mums reikėjo. So as I said, my plan is to do some more competitions this year. and we will see how it goes. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and see you next time. Ačiū visiems už palaikymą. Iki kito karto. Okay, so my mod list: AC, traction control, radio, standard handbrake, hydraulic handbrake, rear seat. I have sound system right here.
Coming from the hood, the D-boys are the superstars. Ride 30 inches on a bucket or a new car. So flingy, flingy, so flingy, so blingy, blingy, so blingy.